Hey, what's up, guys? Rob here from ClicksGeek, and today we're going to be running through an employment law lawyer over the last 30 days. But before we get into that, I want to make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, especially if you're new. We drop Google Ads training videos pretty much every day and lots of case study videos for client work we've done. And also, don't forget to check out the links in the description. We have a ton of stuff in there for you guys, including a free Google Ads optimization course, links to our other courses, a free book from Seven Figure Agency, Josh Nelson. It's a great book, and a lot of other different playlists and training videos and stuff you can check out. So make sure you guys look at those. All right, let's get right into it today. You see what we got here. We got last 30 days. This is an employment lawyer, and we're going to go right through his statistics. Then I'll show you the ad groups, and then I'll show you the keywords. Okay, so this is a really basic campaign. It's not like a 30 or 40 ad group campaign. I think it's like 12 or 13 or something like that. Maybe even be less. I totally forget. All right, so he's running a 75 a day budget. In the last 30 days, they've gotten 3,763 impressions, 288 clicks, 7.65% click-through rate. Average cost per click, which is crazy because this is a law niche, is $5.73. The total cost for the month was $1,649.23 in total spend in Google Ads. And in return for that, they've gotten 106 leads at a cost per lead of $15.56 and a conversion rate of 36.81%. So as always, we go through our case study videos. What is qualified as a lead? A lead from this campaign that we track is any inbound phone call or contact form submission. The contact form submissions are not just emails, they are full lead gen forms. They are name, email, phone number, and I believe it's a message box that says tell us about your leave a brief message about your situation or something like that. I forget what this guy has. So if we go into the campaign, I don't know why that popped up. Get out of here. Go into the ad groups, into the campaign. You can see here what we're running. Oh, it's actually shorter than I thought. It's only 8 ad groups. So there's a bulk of the clicks are coming from a few of them. And obviously, they're an employment lawyer. So they're going after employment lawyer, wrongful termination lawyer, labor lawyer. They're out in Arizona, so we do a geo-modified ad group, discrimination lawyer, sexual harassment lawyer, wage and hour, and employment legal advice. The last two, obviously, there's not much search volume for, so we haven't really had any action. But you'll notice something here. I'm not going after generic terms. And especially if you're in the law niches, you got to be straightforward. You really have to only, and this is just my opinion based on lead quality. There's people who do it differently, but this is what works for us. I like only going after lawyer intent keywords. I'm not trying to get people who are just looking into legal aspects of employment law. I want someone who's searching Google for an actual lawyer or an attorney. I don't want to waste time. I don't want to bullshit with these people. I don't want to waste my clients' money. So I'm trying to put them in front of people who are actually just looking for a lawyer. Now you'll see here, employment lawyer is the main ad group, and they've gotten 58 leads from that, 39% conversion rate. And wrongful termination lawyer is another one, 21 leads, 38% conversion rate. Labor lawyer is another big one, 30% conversion rate. And if we go into the keywords of our main ad group here that's driving all the traffic, you can see we're just running phrase and exact match. So it's not like we're hitting them with shit broad match traffic. Like this is good traffic, right? Now, something I do have to say, if you're going to run these kind of campaigns for yourself, phrase match will bring in competitor brand names. So make sure you have a big local negative list for wherever your client's located of competitor brands. Because they typically, even if leads come from them, they're typically very low quality and they're not, they're looking for somebody else and you're kind of like interrupting them. And so you don't want to do that. But yeah, these are all basic. They're just really simple keywords of people looking for a lawyer. So there's not really much to these campaigns, guys. It's all about just the keywords you're sending and the ads that the message in your ads, which is for us, for this guy's get a free consultation. It's very basic. Get a free consultation, stuff like that. And just have your landing page it doesn't have to be a beautiful, well done website, landing page, whatever. It's just got to be about what you're telling them in the ad. That's really it. They're searching Google for a problem. You offer your solution directly in front of them. So that's all you really got to do. It's not that difficult. And you'll get conversion rates like this. I mean, this page isn't even typically, it's not like the best looking page, but look at these conversion rates. right? These are really, really insane unicorn conversion rates for the law niche. And actually for any niche, really, because I think the industry standard is like, what, 12% conversion rate? So this is blowing that out of the water. So we get into other ad groups here, wrongful termination. You can see, again, we're only trying to go after lawyer intent keywords. Some people just might try and go after a wrongful termination. Stuff, very broad stuff. You're not really sure what the intent is of a person searching it. We stay away from all that stuff because like I said, I want to put our clients in front of people that have the highest chance of actually calling them, right? I want people searching for a problem to see our ad as a solution. And that's really how you should run every single AdWords campaign that you do. And then we have our geo ad group. And I really, guys, every campaign should have a geo ad group. If they're targeting more cities, each city, big city, I should say, should get a geo ad group. So you can see here, it's all employment lawyer stuff in the geo of Phoenix. If we go back into ad groups, we'll come back down to, let's go to labor lawyer. And these are all the same. You can see the pattern here. And that's really it. It's not that difficult. If you have a law practice and employment law, this can easily be cloned. The landing page, the campaign, everything can be cloned and just swap your information in, deploy the campaign in your area, and you'll get results like this too. It's not rocket science, guys. If you have a client who's an employment lawyer, we can do that for you too. Just reach out, and there's a link in the description of where you can fill out an application on our website if you want to work with us. And besides that, there's a lot of other stuff down there, so make sure you check that out anyway. And that's all I got for you today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.